Hey guys, it's Mary here and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be refreshing my twists. I've had these in for about a week now, and although they aren't like ridiculously messy, I do want to refresh the front of it because I don't really like lay my edges. So yeah, it kind of looks like a hot mess, and also the middle parts. And I'm going to be using some new products. This video isn't sponsored, but Eden Body Works did send me their new line, and it's the Papaya Castor line. They sent me this like information card, so I'm just going to share with you guys the products and tell you all what it's used for, I guess. So in the collection there's a scalp cleanser, and this is a co-wash. It's a gentle yet effective at relieving dry flaky conditions. Then there's a foam cleanser, and it says to apply, leave it in and style, so it's not a rinse out conditioner. There's also the Papaya Castor Scalp Massaging Serum, and it says prep the scalp prior, during and after protective styles. Apply to calm itchy scalp. Then there's the Papaya Castor Conditioning Hair Dress, and it says melt in your hands and use as a finisher to your favorite style. And then there's the Papaya Castor Nourishing Curl Jam, and this is a non-sticky gel-like moisturizing cream with a light hold. I am going to try to use as many of the products, but the only one that I know for sure I'm not going to use is the scalp cleanser because I'm not actually washing my hair. I like the fact that my twists are very like big and chunky, and if I wet my hair they would just like shrink up. So that's the only product that we're not going to use today. But I'm only, I don't know if I said this already, but I'm only going to be focusing on the middle row and the front row. Everything else, I don't feel like it makes that much of a difference. Oh, and probably just like these two in the back. I just want to moisturize my scalp, so I'm gonna go in with this scalp massaging serum. And I haven't washed my hair, obviously, so this is just, you know, okay, I was not expecting it to be like that. So it's not like an oil. I could definitely say that it's not like an oil. It smells really good. By the way, these are all my first impressions. Yeah, it's not an oil, but it did say it's a serum. So okay, what I'm gonna do is like kind of split my hair in the middle and put it along the parts. I actually love that it's not oily, because usually when I do scalp massages and I put the oil on my scalp, it's like running down my neck and like kind of going onto my clothes. I love that this is not very oily and it just like stays in the scalp and it's easily absorbed. Like my scalp does not feel greasy at all. I like it. I like this, for real. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is section off the twist that I am going to be refreshing. I did a terrible job at showing you guys what I did. So I started off with the curl jam, and I used that at the roots of my hair, and just like I did in my previous video showing you guys how I actually did these twists. For the front row, I started off with a braid and then continued doing a 2-strand twist. And then when I got to the end, I used the conditioning hairdress to twirl the ends. So I don't know if y'all could tell much of a difference, but I did one side already. Okay, so like I did the middle, I did the front. So this is the front that was just refreshed, and then this is the side that I still have to do so you see the difference. So I'm on to this side now. Sometimes when I do protective hairstyles and I don't moisturize my hair, obviously it gets dry. So like I just want to show y'all what dryness looks like. So look at how dry. So I'm just gonna put some of this and work it in. So the right side of my hair that's closest to my ear is the only part of my scalp that actually gets that dry and flaky, and I think it's because I have severe dermatitis. It's not necessarily dandruff, but yeah, that's why I'm paying a lot more attention and moisturizing it a lot more than the rest of my hair. And yeah, that just kind of moisturizes my scalp, and I think it helped with the flakiness. That's what it's for. So after moisturizing it like that, obviously it's time for me to do the twist. So I'm gonna go in with the Nourishing Cool Jam. And for the ends, I'm going to go in with the conditioner and hairdress and just twirl the ends. So I'm finally done redoing the front of my hair. Look how much neater it looks. Now it's time to actually moisturize the rest of my hair, because while I had my hair in these twists, I really wasn't doing that much with it. I would spray a little bit of leave-in conditioner every day, but I didn't really do anything to the length of my hair when it comes to moisturizing it. So I'm gonna use this Eden Body Works foam cleanser, and this is the first time using a product like this. So I don't know if this is the right way to use it, but this is what I'm doing. So I'm just sectioning my hair off so that I could basically moisturize the entire thing. Okay, so I'm gonna, hopefully that stays for now. So I'm gonna start with the bottom section. By the way, this smells really good, and I'm just going to like squeeze it into my hair like this. And for the part of my hair that is mostly exposed, which is just like the top, I'm just going to do it like this. Now, just to make sure that my hair just remains a little bit neater, I'm going to just tie it down. And I'm just going to leave it like this for like 5 minutes. And this is just going to help the hair that's at the top of my head, which is like the little flyaways, lay down using the leave-in conditioner. And yeah, that's basically how I refresh my mini twists and make them look poppin' again. Like, it looks so much neater. I could wear it again for another week and have no problems. And I use the Eden Body Works Papaya castor line. This video isn't sponsored. I just wanted to try using new products and see how they work. I actually love these products. I love that this is not an oil and it's a serum, because my hair was not greasy at all. This is moisturizing and lightweight. I feel like I could even put a little bit in my hair and like pass it through, but I didn't really want my hair to be greasy. When I do take these mini twists out, I'll use this on my hands to like separate it, because I know this is going to be a really good test out. This is a really good like, it's kind of like a leave-in conditioner mixed with a gel, so it has like a little bit of a light hold without being too like stiff and hardening. This is a game changer for protective hairstyles. Like a foaming conditioner, you just put a little bit and pass it through your hair and your hair is actually moisturized. I did not try this scalp cleanser, which is basically a co-wash, because I didn't wash my hair, but all of the other products were good, so I have no doubt that this will be great too. And yeah, that's like my mini review and demo of the entire collection. I really hope you guys liked it. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me comments and let me know what you guys would like to see me do in the future. If you aren't following me on Instagram, what are you doing? I'm really active on Instagram. And yeah, that's all for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.